wacky flame on tube man.
Wow, civilization.
This town is acting like Vegas.
Why does it look like Vegas?
It looks like Christmas here.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the left.
Holy crap.
No way. Unfucking real.
I wish the camera could see this right now. Guys, you're not gonna believe it. Oh, there you go. Denny's.
Literally right next to it too.
Well, right next to Denny's.
128.
128. So yeah, this part. 128. Let's park here then.
Yeah, we're not gonna park here. We're gonna find a room first.
If this
Unless one of us wants to get out and look.
A wheel.
All right, Shuggy, hunt him down. Get him.
128, right?
Why is it
Yep.
recording? Where'd he go?
I don't know. He's going upstairs.
He wanted me to film him.
Shuggy, it's 128. That means he's on the first floor.
Oh, there he is.
When we go up, it's high. All ones are down here, so it would have to be over here.
Yeah, it's one because it's on the first
I'm gonna
floor.
look over here.
Oh.
Did you look down there?
I don't know, dude.
This is very riveting content. It looks like... This looks like two.
No, that's right. It's literally that one right there.
Oh, perfect.
Really?
Should have listened to me. I'm glad the parking space is so low.
Look, a homeless man. There he goes.
Here's the Schwanky digs for the next 2 nights.
Not too bad, not too shabby. I need a pee. Dang it. do a goofy dance.
Bibles in every hotel? Because the
Alex,
Gideons put them there.
Alex, do a goofy dance for the video. Do the goofy dance.
No.
Damn.
I was about to dab for the first time and I thought, nah, it's too good for this vlog.
No, come on, do it.
Nope.
Do it for Fall Guys and Among Us.
What?
Do it for Fall Guys and Among Us.
Does anyone even talk about Fall Guys anymore? Alex and Shuggy are out by the car. So I'm in here by myself. I'm gonna play a little prank on them. Hee hee hee. They're coming back, they're coming back. Oh no, they got pranked. Hello? Ow. Oh, you got pranked. Oh, pranked.
Get up there.
No, you kidding.
Why is it so dark on the camera?
You got a problem with my skin color?
Uh-oh.
You gonna say that to my face?
Look at my swanky jacket.
Let's do this properly.
Nobody touches this.
No! One for the hook. One for me and one for the hooker. No. One for me and one for the hooker.
He's reaching about your butt, Alex.
I don't want to be here anymore.
I don't want
He's quitting.
to be here
I
anymore.
quit, guys. Just jump off into the distance.
Do the Incredible Hulk and then here.
There's a lens cap.
Film. Film. Bye, guys.
Oh.
Look at this shot, Billy.
What? Wow. I don't trust Shuggy sleeping next to me. He's gonna rape me in the night. He's gonna try to spoon with me. The spoony one. When was the last time you made a video?
When he was Dr. Insano.
It was not yet.
I just broke my penis doing that. I felt a stretch.
Alex, can you pick me up? I'm very curious. Can you lift 125 pounds?
Here we go.
Whoa.
You better than Shuggy did.
Hey, do that.
Well, yeah, because Shuggy grabbed you all stupid like.
Hey,
That's a good point.
hey, do it. Do this. The thing I was trying to do.
What were you trying to do?
I don't know. Body something.
Do not. It hurt the last time.
Yeah, I wouldn't feel comfortable doing it because if you don't know how to do it, you can hurt yourself and whoever you do.
I did hurt my penile.
Penis!
Wait, you said it stretched out, right? Billy, sorry. Wow, Karma was pretty quick on that one.
I don't want. If I fell and holding a camera, I would brush my head before the camera.
Same here. The self-preservation mechanism just dies. My head will heal. My camera won't. He gets it.
On my back.
Oh yeah, I was admiring my outfit because it looks nice.
Oh wow, you look properly like a redneck.
Yeah.
Dude, my back, I just stretched my back doing that, and I don't want to pass out.
I need some Bud Light.
Well, we are in a party city. Funny how we ended up in a party city, huh?
I'm gonna age.
Let's go party.
I'm gonna
I'm
age.
actually kind of surprised. We got this for like $70 a night.
Well, I'm gonna sing some country songs,
I'm just trying to get everything kind of.
but I don't know any.
Hey, walk to me and trash talk like a redneck. Go.
That would be way too racist for the video. Anything I've said before, nothing compared to what would come out of my mouth then. The one shirt that I managed to grab last night out of the thing when we were rushing.
No.
What? Okay, what's happening?
So you know how we were talking about the mock meetup, how all these friends from on the internet and all that whatnot all came together finally?
Yeah.
Well, we took a group picture together, and in the group picture was that shirt. And then on top of that, we were all sitting around the campfire getting drunk. And one of the big topics of conversation was Billy's shirt. We just could not figure out why did they take the Dark Side of the Moon album cover art and pixelate it.
I thought that was just the camera looking at it weird. I didn't look up in real life to see it.
We were just sitting there like, why? Is it artistic design? No.
It's called Walmart.
Because you think, yeah, they want like they want the logo pristine. It's just so weird.
There you go.
Open that up more.
Yo, you gotta get B-roll.
We are gonna head out and go eat some grub.
You guys want to bring something back?
Where we gonna eat at? I forgot.
Honestly, you guys want to walk?
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
Let's
Walk
walk.
and eat some talkies.
Okay, let's go. Look at it go. Yeah, we're just walking down the streets of Pigeon Forge here, looking for something to eat, but we're getting kind of distracted by story time over and over again.
Story time with
There goes
Alex.
Pizza Hut delivery, man.
Story time.
to the hotel.
We're hoping that we're gonna find something to eat before they all close down. Basically, we came into this blind. We didn't realize how like bustling of a tourist place this is.
Yeah, we tell them what we found out it was about. It's
So we just happened to stumble upon that this is the place to like stay if you're going to Dollywood.
Yeah, I figured out. I was like, oh crap! I've been there like one time. I was like 8'6" or something. I was like, I know that place. I went there one time.
We aren't sure, but we're like pretty damn certain we were on an overlook that looked down at Dollywood. We were all sitting there thinking, what is that place? We think.
So we freaking just chow down on this freaking pizza over there. And then say your thing.
What am I supposed to say? What's my line?
Oh, it was we ate
Whose line
pizza.
is it anyway?
So we demolished the shit out of that pizza. Man. It was like a large pizza, and like between the three of us, there was nothing left. Except there's still stuff left, and there's still a lot of stuff left. I don't know. We've been sitting in a car all day, so we're not really burning a whole lot of burning a whole lot of calories.
Sleep. I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Okay, do it on camera.
Yeah. Well, I'm sure you'll rush to get the camera if it happens.
Why are you pointing that thing at me?
Cause you got perky little tits.
I don't have any tits.
I have some. Yeah, I got little titties. I can grab them. See?
So what we're planning to
She's
do?
got tits.
So what we're planning to do?
This guy raped me. Twice.
3, 2, 1, go. So what we're planning to do is, I don't know, I'll take a shower. That's okay with it?
Who's
I was just planning on taking a dump, but I didn't want to take a dump before I took a shower, so you'd be taking a shower in my dump. You know?
taking a dump.
You know?
Artists unknown, taking those
So
dump
here's how I think it
reviews.
should go.
Please don't
Like,
shake me.
you take a shower, then I take a dump, then Billy can throw up.
Make a fake beard. Yeah, like an
I have a real beard though.
Yeah, but make like a old musket beard.
Oh yeah, you know, I never really got to good look at your beard. Let me see it.
Is that new? Is that new development?
No.
Yeah, you need a good trim.
Yeah, my goatee is really long. You see this?
Kind of look like the guy from Polar Express. You know, the one that gets his beard pulled.
I mean, with your
No.
so No offense, but like with your tired clothes and your beard looking like that, you could seriously pass off as a homeless man.
Alex, I could pass as a lot of things.
Okay. What the heck is
you're gonna film everyone in the bath?
Oh, we didn't even bring bathing suits. We could have taken advantage of the indoor swimming pool.
We could have seen some hotties.
Yeah, we could have seen some hotties.
Worm, we could have seen some hotties. What are you
Guys,
doing?
3 eligible bachelors. Right?
Oh God, we're all single. That's sad.
We could all go to the pool and pick up some
That is
hotties.
pathetic. I mean, come on. You're a little Cuban Filipino boy.
What's that supposed to be?
I think I actually need to take a poo. This is the first poo. How many days have we been on this?
3 days for us.
Okay, this is the first poo I'm going to take in almost 4 days because I didn't poo the day before.
We gotta up the sentence, Alex.
Here we go. I'm doing it. They said I couldn't poo. Now I'll prove them wrong.
I'll prove them wrong.
I'll prove them wrong.
You're violating your parole. What are we gonna do, Judge Alex?
For violation of his bowel restraining order,
Oof.
he will not be allowed to pee for 10 years.
Oof. That's a bit harsh. Maybe.
Repeat offenders. Well, you'll learn from me that I do not like repeat offenders.
I think he's not allowed to use any toilet paper.
Well, that'd be kind of a punishment for us.
No. He's got to figure out some other way.
Your face kind of looked like you're just like, huh?
Think of it like this, Alex. He's about to use a whole roll right now. He hasn't pooped in 3 days.
Well, what do you mean?
You haven't seen Shuggy's poop. I have.
What do you mean he's about to use a whole entire roll?
There's only 2 in there. I mean, I got wet wipes, so I'm good. But you know.
I'm not gonna use the whole thing.
Yeah, this is an A, Alex, and B, Billy conversation. I don't know where I was going with that.
I'm just sitting here swapping lenses, and then Billy just says, "Are you swapping lenses?" And Shuggy comes out of the toilet. He's not even done shitting to tell me what to do with the new lens that we're swapping. Open up! I need a piss.
I did it. I pooed.
Oh no!
Congrats. Now, wait. What did we decide his punishment was? Because he's already used toilet paper. Alright.
Alright, here we go. Point of view, point of view. Get the F.
POV.
Alright, buddy. You're good to go.
I'm gonna throw the toilet paper in the toilet.
Is that the lens you're talking about? Oh my god.
Did Shuggy finish eating that one piece?
Come on. Keep in focus. Oh, no, we need to put my bang on the door. The walls. Let's see our cameraman skills into work. Dang it. So, how was it?
You're gay.
Do the Woody dance from Toy Story 1. We did it, we did it, we did it, we did it.
Working the lens, keeping it in focus.
Oh, is that what he's doing?
This camera's hard.
It's hard.
And this lens hard.
My dick.
It's hard. It's hard. Working the camera's hard. It's hard. It's hard. Now I'm gonna be Shuggy. Look, I'm Shuggy.
Why is there...
Oh god.
Oh, I get it. You were raping me.
Shuggy was just like, let's see how good a cameraman was.
Oh, Porter. Oh, no.
Whoa. Back up, buddy. Back up, Jack. Oh.
I want Bob Dylan up on stage. Who are you?
Who are you? I want Bob Dylan up on stage.
Worm.
All right, Billy, you can do what you're gonna do.
Oh, what? You filming?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, so apparently I am very good at blindly picking out shirts for this trip. Of all the effing shirts.
What is it? Black and white?
You don't get it. Anyways,
What is it? Explain the law.
bit. I meant to turn off this light.
What?
Also, I accidentally flooded the bathroom floor. Don't get mad at me for
Oh
that.
my god. Well, what's the joke though? Explain. Someone.
The
What?
tuxedo T-shirt.
Okay, what's so funny about it?
No one's gonna
Tuxedo
get.
T-shirt.
What's so funny about it?
It's cringe.
No one's gonna get the joke. What's the joke here?
I wore this to my mother's third wedding.
He was explaining the story. You're not even filming him. He's explaining the story. You didn't film him.
Oh yes, it's time, Shuggy, for sexual intercourse. There is no joke, Shuggy. It's just a bad shirt.
Oh, I've got an even worse one.